Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. This is Sunday, as you can see, the 15th of December, and we are preparing the trading round for next week. And we are going bearish into next week, into the most important week of the end of year trading, the week with the FOMC having to decide whether to taper or not the quantitative easing program. What you see here is a possible, a contracting triangle of a bigger degree, and the move that started here from the downside, but from this area, going to the upside here. This is an impulsive move, like this, and this impulsive move, so from here all the way to the upside here, this is an impulsive move, and this impulsive move is only a C wave over flat. Now the flat started from this low here, and this is A, then A, B, C for the flat, and then the move to the upside, for the elongated flat. So all in all, this means an elongated flat from here to here. So on a bigger degree, we are talking about a contracting triangle. So the contracting triangle should have end at least one leg here, and this is in the 138.10 area. The highs here, if I remember correctly, were 138.10, and from this moment on we are looking for a move to the downside. However, how to label this one? As you can see here, this is no impulsive move. This is definitely a corrective move. Well, it depends very much on what price structure, price action we will have. I would really like to buy put options into next week, and the put options will be bought by the time this contracting triangle is going to be broken, ideally to the downside. This is a possible contracting triangle. Like this, and this to be labeled A, B, C, D, and this being the E wave or the contracting triangle. For this contracting triangle to be valid and for our scenario to go as planned, it means that this highs here needs to hold. So 137.55 needs to hold, or ideally even this highs here to hold 137.70. So price should not break this area anymore. In this way, it should be labeled as this being the first wave here, 1, then the first correction, then an intervening X wave, A, B, C, and a contracting triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and it implies double 3 running in the making, and this should be labeled like this. So this to be the first wave here, the second wave, only the second wave by the moment this triangle is going to be done, and then to look for the third wave to the downside. But as you can see here, in order for a third wave or an impulsive move to come, we need at least 161.8, but this is not such a distance, such bigger distance from this moment on. It is only 136.80 area. So either this is 1 and 2 and looking for a 3, or this is already being A, B, C, X, and the X wave to be this contracting triangle, this being wave A, to have a B wave and to have a C wave to the downside. It doesn't really matter. What I really like to do here is to buy put options next week by the time this 100 level is going to be broken, because this implies again that the triangle there has broken to the downside. It implies we are looking at a possible extension here to the downside for a third wave extended move. So this would be the moment to engage into buying put options, and the expiration date should be end of day expiration date. So wait for the 100% level there to be broken. This is 137.05. We already had 137.08 on Friday, so wait for 137.05 to come, and by the time it is coming, just going and buy put options. So let's write here that we are looking to buying put options when the 100% level is broken, namely 137.05, and the expiration date with end of day expiration date. Remember, when you buy binary option, when you trade binary options and you buy puts, you are looking at put options, you are looking for price to actually go to the downside and to be lower than the striking price. So if you buy the put at 137.05, like we're saying here, then at the end of the day, the New York close 21 GMT price should be lower than the striking price. The striking price being the price that you buy the option for. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and we are trading binary options with Lioneye.